Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to get XRP address in Binance. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, you have to open your Binance application, and here you have to click on this deposit icon. When you click on this, now here you have to click on this deposit crypto. Click on this deposit crypto, and here you have to click on this search bar. When you click on this search bar, now here you have to type XRP. Here you have to type XRP. After that, here you have to click on this XRP Ripple. You have to click on this. Now here you have to click on this Ripple first icon. You have to click on this. After that, here you can see this is my Ripple Binance address. You have to copy this Ripple wallet address. You have to click on this wallet address copy button. In this way you can copy Ripple XRP address in Binance. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next interesting video. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel.